low-income families have to choose between home heating and other basic necessities. In the most severe cases, it's actually the heat or eat conundrum. So if a family has to choose between paying their health care bill or keeping the thermostat at a comfortable level, they're living in fuel poverty. REAL has been advocating for the use of solar energy to address fuel poverty. There is this massive federal program that helps low-income families that are grappling with fuel poverty. It's called energy assistance. And energy assistance is a critical social safety net because it basically pays low-income families heating bills, or more accurately, it pays a small percentage of low-income families heating bills each and every heating season. But it does not address the root causes of low-income fuel poverty. It's very much of a Band-Aid on a wound that needs a tourniquet. Across the nation, it's approximately $5 billion every single year that goes directly to utilities on behalf of low-income families without solving the problem. At REAL, we think that as a nation, as a region, as a state, we can do much better. And so we've been encouraging the use of solar energy in order to provide a long-term, clean, and domestic solution for fuel poverty. We've been leading by example. So rather than waiting for the Federal Energy Assistance Program to slowly incorporate solar energy into its existing program, we've simply been out there delivering solar heat and solar electricity to low-income families. We have served about 330 low-income families, and a lot of families now are generating more heat than the Energy Assistance Program used to pay for. And so families are turning away energy assistance. The average family that gets energy assistance has between 8 and 14% of their heating bill paid for. But our solar assistance installations are doing somewhere between 10 and 30%. And so families are actually not in need of energy assistance anymore because they now have the means to provide their own energy for decades rather than a single year. So our program is really transformative. It's nationally unique. It started right here in Pine River, Minnesota, and it's now being heralded as a practical and timely solution for low-income fuel poverty across the nation. Other states are literally calling what's going on here in Minnesota. They're not calling it the REAL model, unfortunately. They're calling it the Minnesota model. What we're doing here in Minnesota is relevant from Portland, Maine to Portland, Oregon.